What's up everyone, this is Karan here, back with another video. Welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. A lot of guys are using MIUI 11 based ROMs on their devices, but if you're wondering that which is one of the best ever build, if you're talking about based on MIUI 11, then which is the best ever build according to my preferences, if I'm gonna choose, that there are a lot of builds available like Xiaomi EU, MI Room, MI Novo, MI TR, and a lot of builds based on MIUI 11, then I will choose this one. Which is this build? This one is MI Room. I have just installed the last beta version for my device, MIUI 11 MI Room 20.1.16 beta. I'm just taking this as an example that I love MI Room. So I'll just show you that which are the best features of this MI Room build. That's why I like this build. So make sure to watch this video till the end to understand everything. Let's get started right now. Okay, so this is, I have my Xiaomi device running MI Room custom ROM, which is based on MIUI 11 and it's based on Android version 9. Let me just show you. It's based on Android version 9. MI Room is available for a lot of devices and I'll put the link for all of the devices in the description so you can just go and try it out. Why this ROM? I just like this the most. One of the best thing which I personally liked about this build is the performance. I have tried Xiaomi EU build, some other builds also, MIUI TR, MI Novo, and some other builds also. I don't think so that MI Room is bad if you compare with all those things. MI Room is just perfect, but make sure that this is my opinion. Your opinion may be different, but if you're talking about my opinion, I will choose MI Room because of some extra features also. Talking about extra features, when you go to display, you have the new feature called maximum brightness on call. This is the extra feature, or you can say additional feature, which you don't get mainly in all other builds also. Moving on to some other things, you also get this new feature, use new MIUI fonts, which I personally like a lot, because if you choose this, your fonts will be changed after. As you can see, your fonts are changed now and looking more interactive, more looking beautiful. Some other things, if you talk about notch and status bar, you have some new options of toggles in minimized shade and toggles in expanded shade. This is also a new feature which you don't get in almost all other ROMs also. That's why I personally like this ROM, because of performance, because of battery backup. And yes, if you talk about the battery backup may be different for you, because we have custom kernels right now. You can use custom kernel, you can do some tweaks, so that may affect your battery usage, but in my case it's just perfect. Status bar icons options, always show network type on status bar, hide alarm icon and hide Bluetooth icon. These are the options you get here, which you don't get mainly in, especially in any stock ROM, but in this build it's available. Xiaomi EOS build has no these many notifications, but this has. When you go to additional settings, these are the options which you get in all other ROMs. I'm just going to show you some brief options about this build, but mainly you can see some other options. Additional settings, left side menu, you can select out, you can disable the unlock animation. By default, unlock animation is enabled. Blurred folder background, show search bar, hide app title in 2 lines, and show icon shadows. These are the new features which you don't get in any other build, especially in Xiaomi EU or MIUI TR. I think MIUI TR is also good, MIUI Novo is good, but that is not available for all the devices. But the thing is, MI Room is available for almost all the devices, and if your device is not available, as always, you can use the GSI build, and I'll drop the link for that GSI also in the description. All other things are same like all other builds. Moving on to some other things like password and security, you get all these main options: password, fingerprint lock, and face lock included. If your device supports it, you also get the option of screen time. And one of the best things also, if I just show you, wait, let me just show you by going into developer options. It has some 3 or 4 extra features. Just wait, let me unlock developer options first. And when we go to additional settings, go to developer options, here you have at last some new extra features of MI Room. First of all, you get the smart network option where you can check out type setting. If you are using dual SIM, then this setting will work for you, that if you choose smart mobile network, when Wi-Fi is turned on, you want your network to be only 2G, 3G, 4G, 2G, 3G, 4G. There are a lot of options to customize, which makes this room something unique. You also got the option of app name for warning. If you have a notification of as a warning notification from some app, it will show you the app name also. By default it will not show you the app name, but after enabling this it will show you. You also get the option of screenshot in any app, which is pretty helpful. Sometimes an app does not allow you to take screenshots, but with the help of this tweak you can take screenshots, which is a very cool thing. Show power menu in lock screen and extended power menu, some great features if we talk about. These are available here, which are just cool. Moving on to some other things, this has one of the cleaner UI without any bloatware, without any ads. And if you talk about the themes, all themes are available without any ads. Just go and download any of the theme you can apply. This is one of my best theme, Destro OS. You can simply go to download, click on apply, and after applying you will see it's applied successfully. This is how it looks. The home screen, the widget, the icons, and your notification drawer looks these kind of thing, looking just great, looking awesome. And you can also see your navigation keys are changed, all the icons are changed. If you want, if you like this theme, you can also download it directly from this theme store. It's available there, and this is one of my favorite theme. If you want, you can comment below, I'll drop you the link for this theme also. So these were all the things which I might probably choose, why I most probably used MI Room. So if you also love this build, the link for this build is already in the description. It's available for all the devices. If it's not available for you, you can choose the GSI. So this was all from today's video. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.